How to fix Fortnite crashing when launching. So there are many solutions, and let me explain you some of them. First up, try to update your Fortnite and your launcher. Make sure that you have the latest version of both Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher installed. Another way could be to verify game files. This checks for, I don't know, any corrupted game files and repairs them. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary programs that might be using resources in the background. Also, can you update your graphics drivers? So outdated drivers can cause crashes, so maybe this is the problem. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version from the manufacturer website, Nvidia, AMD or Intel. Another solution could be to run Fortnite as administrator. I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.